Here's how you can quickly enable split screen mode on your Google Pixel phone with Android 16. So let's go ahead and get started. The fastest way to go about doing this is, let's just say you already have some apps open, and of course you want to go into the recents view mode. So whether you have the gestures or the button, go into the recents view mode in which you can see all the apps you have open already. And for every app that you have open already, you'll notice there is this drop down menu. So with Android 16, it's going to look like this here. And when you tap on it, you will see the option that says split screen. If you don't see it, that means that app in particular cannot go into split screen mode. So once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will happen, and what's going to be able to go about happening now is you can navigate through other apps that you have open already and select it, and it's going to appear like this here into this split screen view mode. So one thing you can do is either you can navigate the top or the bottom at the same time, and it's totally up to you. You can also increase the size of one of them, making the top more display or the bottom one. And when you're ready to exit this out, let's just say you want to close it out completely, you can bring this all the way down to the bottom, closing out the bottom or closing out the top. All right. Now, if you do go into recent view mode like this here and you tap on it again, you will still have the split screen mode still enabled unless you actually close it out. And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.